The new Nissan Roox, a wagon-type car offering customers a more powerful engine, a spacious cabin, and award-winning driver assistance technology, will go on sale in Japan on March 19th. The new Roox features a host of Nissan intelligent mobility technologies, including the ProPilot advanced driver assistance system. The new Nissan Roox is also equipped with the powerful BR06 engine found in the Nissan Days, which has been optimized for the new model. Adopting the acclaimed Nissan Days platform, the new Roox's cabin space is engineered to maximize comfort for passengers while securing plenty of room for luggage. For the first time in a mini vehicle, a sensor can detect rapid deceleration in two preceding vehicles. The intelligent forward collision warning system notifies the driver using an indicator and audible alert to reduce the risk of forward collision. Overall, we feel this vehicle is a great city car.